Hi everyone, it's Robin from N3IX Engineering, and today we're looking at our new 3D printed fascia controllers. The fascia controllers are designed for easy mounting on the front of control panels. They come fully assembled with onboard push button, green-red LEDs, and drive electronics. The LED bezels are rectangular and have a wide viewing angle. Two of the edges on the fascia controller are parallel to each LED bezel, and this makes alignment on the fascia track diagram easier. It mounts in an 11/16" hole and secured with 2 screws. The form factor allows for compact mounting for track arrangements like yard ladders, with track spacing as close as 1.1 inches possible. Standard versions are solid black or solid white, or black with track lines, or white with track lines, and custom color versions are available. The custom color chart for the face color and or the track lines can be viewed on the website on our fascia controller page. And with a small minimum quantity, you can have any color from the available color chart. Hope you found this interesting. There's more information on our website, quadln.n3ix.com. And as always, have fun with your model railroads.